We're going to take an approach at the Brownwood connecting bridge from the north side. This is actually the parking lot here of the Brownwood movie theater, so Barnstorm. This comes from the parking lot right behind Barnstorm Theater. And of course the bridge is open now, so carts can travel back and forth. This was early on the 26th, the day after Christmas. So I only saw a couple people out here when I was out here. But we're gonna go from the north, and you can see it's early in the morning. It was really cold. We had a hard freeze, I believe, the night before. On Christmas night, it got into the 20s here. So made for a really great video with really nice colors and everything. This is the first bridge you'll cross, and then there is a walking path on both sides of this bridge that lead up to the actual bridge itself. So like I said, this is the north side. We're gonna go right through it. North side of the bridge. There you can see where the path comes up to the top. And then this crosses through. So this is the only bridge out of the 3 that they've built so far that has a walking path leading up to the top. There wasn't much put out about this bridge being open as far as I know, and I think that's because they didn't have a lot of traffic, or there's not a whole lot of reason for people to be going over the bridge yet, unless you want to take the Megason Trail all the way down to the Chitty Chatty area or Hawkins area, because this bridge does connect to Megason on the other side. We'll fly right through here, and you'll see on the south side there is a path as well, and this leads down to the golf cart trail, of course. On the south side of 44, we just crossed over Highway 44 on the bridge. The trail goes all the way down to the base of the ramp here as we duck under this moss and go down the south side ramp here right to the golf cart path. And then this will basically connect to Megason. Megason Road runs Brownwood on the south side. That you'll be able to see here in just a second once we get over this tree. There we go. So now you can see there's where the golf cart path comes off the bridge and winds down around. You can see this young man walking here on the path. Winds around by Megason and borders Megason all the way down to, or somewhere close to Megason, all the way down to Warm Springs Boulevard, which Warm Springs Boulevard is where Hawkins and all of those places are. A lot of golf cart trail. We've done quite a few videos on that area with the Megason Road, and actually have a video all the way down Megason to Warm Springs Boulevard. We'll be doing one soon where we ride the bike along either the road or the path and tell you how long it is and how long it takes and all that kind of stuff. So as we get back to the north of 44, we are going to take a look at the Brownwood Square and that type of deal with the market going on. It's the farmers market going on. They are still doing it at the square, but it's not close to what it was before. It's kind of chilly today anyway, so there wasn't going to be a ton of people out there, but we went a little bit over summer, and there was probably about 9 vendors, maybe 10 or so. And usually, like before the COVID stuff, you would see Brownwood Square would be packed. I mean, shoulder to shoulder, elbow to elbow, people at the market. And it's just not that way anymore. You can see there's 1, 2, 3, somewhere around 10 or 12 maybe vendors set up on the square, or getting set up on the square at this point. And the attendance just isn't there, but hopefully we'll be getting back to normal. We'll be doing a article on the farmers market when we after next weekend, so we'll be out there interviewing some people and talking to some people and putting some pictures and video up next week of the farmers market, so check that out. As always, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like, share, do all that kind of stuff, and we'll see you in the next one.